Hello kids, let's read. Meg's pet. Your turn to read now. Meg has a pink pet. Let's see if you can read. Meg's pet is a pig. Your turn now. The pig is fat and pink. Your turn to read. It lives in a pen. Let's see if you can read. It likes to roll in the mud. It's your turn to read. It loves to eat dirt. Your turn. Meg likes to hug her pet. Your turn to read now. Good job, kids. Hope you loved the reading practice. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe.